Guys. Today we got a special day. I'm so excited. This is the first ever Leica that I'm going to unbox, that I'm going to hold, and everything. And this is the Leica D-Lux 8. Maybe not even a real Leica, you know what I mean, right? So if you look in the history, something going on with Panasonic and Leica and stuff like that. But this, to me, is a real Leica. So just for the viewers out there, this is a compact camera with a micro four thirds sensor in it, and it has the Leica design, the Leica image quality, the Leica colors and everything. So I'm really excited. Switch things around. Just I'm gonna show you some photos, first impression, how it feels in the hand, and also just like the video quality, if that is actually pretty good or not. So I'm really curious, don't know what to expect. I've seen some footage online on YouTube and everything, but you know what, it's always different than in real life. And I'm on my channel, the way that I'm doing this is the way that you will see it in your hand. So there's no difference. So what you're seeing is what you get, right? So enough talking, let's unbox this together. All right, so here it is, guys. Leica D-Lux 8. Really curious how it looks. Ooh. Big box first or the small box first? Oh my goodness. Ooh, I like it. More boxes. What's inside of the little box? Ooh. What do we got here? Okay. In this little pouch, what do we got? What do we have? A little tiny flash. A baby flash. It's a baby. It's a baby flash. Put that to the side. The battery. The battery, guys. Alright. Not the biggest battery in the world, but also not the smallest. Alright. Let's go. Nice little wrist wrap thingy. Okay. And a wire? What the hell is this? What the hell is this? I don't know even what this is. And what's inside here? The bigger box. I think it's the manual. Yeah. Manual. Like a box for a manual. What the hell? Alright. Ooh. And here it is. I think that's about it. Ooh. Here we go. Oh, nice. Ooh, wow. This feels really nice, guys. Wow. Made for my hands. Like, look at this. Let's check out the lens. Oh, I like it a lot. This should be the thumbnail, like this. Cool. Leica D-Lux 8. International Superstar Soccer Deluxe. Too bad the screen is fixed though. Too bad. Leica camera, Wetzlar, Germany. Okay. Battery compartment here. SD cards out there. The buttons and everything feel really nice. Nothing on the side. Here we got USB-C and micro HDMI, it seems. Okay, cool. Play, menu. Buttons without anything on it. Ooh. What's this? So why should you? Okay. Leave it at 4.3. Nice. Wow. Pretty damn cool. So I got here a 64 gigs Extreme Pro. Let's put that in here. Okay, where's on and on about? Okay, that's not here. This. Oh, wow. Oh, look at this. Ooh, it is happy to see me. Okay, English. Oh my God. Okay, let's switch things up, and I'll see you again in a couple of seconds. All right, so as you can see, it looks really nice in the hand. And when you turn it on, just... Can you hear that? Can you hear that? So nice. Let's take a picture of you guys. Ooh. Ooh. So everything now is almost set on auto. Looks like... It looks really good on the little screen, by the way. So let's see, you can also record video, so let's do that as well. Gonna switch this to this. I'm really excited. I'm not sure if this is recording properly because I cannot see anything. There's no flippy screen, but image quality, what do you think about it? Audio quality, what do you think about it? Does it look good? Does it sound good as well? I really don't know. This is just the unboxing. So first impression so far, it is a very nice looking camera. And I really like the design, how it feels in the hand, the buttons and everything. Image quality, don't know anything about that yet. So if you got any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. Make sure to subscribe to the channel to see the full review in a couple of weeks. And can't wait to test this out on the field for different things. So make sure to subscribe. And if you got any questions, if you got any comments, any tips and tricks, or any ideas, or anything that you want to know about this camera, let me know in the comment section down below. As always, stay safe, stay happy. Good luck.